Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the fourth element G1 glove liner. So this is a 1.5mm thick neoprene glove. You can wear it underneath your existing gloves just to boost them up, make them a little bit warmer, or you can wear them underneath dry gloves, so even if the dry glove does flood, your hands are still warm because it's neoprene. Let's take a closer look. So this is how they arrive. Minimal packaging, always nice to see. You get a little cardboard sort of thing to hang it up on a hook. Barcodes on the back, and you get a little fourth element technical sticker on it. They've got those ties on. I'm just going to dispatch those really quick, and then we'll take a quick look at the gloves themselves. So the gloves themselves, they're 1.5mm thick, so they're very, very thin gloves. You can wear them by themselves if you just want a really thin pair of neoprene gloves, but they're designed as a glove liner, something to put on your hand first and then another glove over the top. Obviously if you have like wet gloves, like a standard 5mm gloves or something that are pretty snug, it's going to be pretty tight putting them on, so they're more designed for use underneath dry glove systems. But the gloves themselves, pretty traditional. You get one simple palm section of neoprene. All of the stitching is actually glued, which is quite nice to see. Stitching often wears, so it's quite nice to see that, and as well that helps reduce water ingress into the glove. There's no seals to sort of prevent water from getting up into the glove, but it just helps. Otherwise, the neoprene itself has a decent amount of stretch in it, nice and comfortable. These are a size large. I traditionally go for a size large glove, and they go on pretty easily. The cuffs are a little bit shorter than a traditional glove, so they're not going to get in the way of your cuff seal. There's not going to be excess material sort of getting in the way of the ring system or anything. Decent dexterity, decent flexibility in it, and the internal lining is different from this external lining. It's actually this green coloured material, and this is derived from bamboo, and this is a thermal plush lining. So this is, even if water does get in underneath the glove, works just like a wetsuit. It's trapping it, holding it against your hand, stopping it from moving around, so that's going to keep you nice and warm. On the inside, the seams are very soft. They're not scratchy at all, any of them, and yeah, because some gloves you can sort of feel the glue on the inside. With this one, no, they feel very, very nice. It might even be blind stitch feeling it. If I just turn this one inside out really quickly, yeah, that might as well be blind stitch by the looks of it. You can see a little bit of the glue, but it's not scratchy or uncomfortable in any way, so very, very comfortable, so you can wear these underneath your existing gloves. So that's the fourth element G1 glove liner. So very, very thin, 1.5mm neoprene gloves. You can wear them by themselves if you just need something just to cover your hands, but they're really designed to be worn underneath your dry glove system or underneath your wet glove system. And because it's neoprene, it just inherently helps to keep your hands nice and warm without adding too much sort of extra padding, so you lose all your dexterity. They're still nice and thin, so you can still do complicated tasks. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. To look at these and buy them, just click on the link down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.